nabuhay dun sa isang high-low na atake. Kaya ngayon, abante muli silang 4.
Ray Parks, Malonzo, Newsom, Ramos, and Junmar Fajardo for Gilas Pilipinas. So there are a lot of shooters on the floor here surrounding Junmar Fajardo.
Which we really need at this stage of the match.
Dwight Ramos shown a quick double. Newsom, penetrating dribble. Unable to get the foul, and Newsom is on the ground. CJ Perez on the floor, who was almost instant offense.
Exactly. The leading scorer para sa Pilipinas, Chris Newsom last night, a total of 2 points. Parks also had 2 points. Edu had 9. Pogoy had 8. CJ Perez had 7. But today, CJ Perez explosive and has been the biggest thorn against the defense ng Senegal.
2 free throws there made by Chris Newsom.
And the press is on for the Philippines.
Again, this is the type of press that caused so many turnovers early on. Pero ito, this Senegal team more ready for that now. Broke the press almost immediately.
Hindi na nila pinipilit mag-dribble pababa na mag-isa.
And as I said, that's almost a turnover there. Boise being worked on by Newsom. What a move there. And dyan yung nakikita kung bakit siya nag-NBA Summer League para sa Phoenix Suns.
2-man game execution, gets downhill, beats the defense of Junmar Fajardo in that cross match.
Jamie Malonzo. Ito naman si Chris Newsom. Junmar. Jamie. All the way to Dwight Ramos in the corner, but great closeout, as you mentioned, Coach. 4-point lead para sa Senegal.
Ang hirap bantayan ng mga hammer passes na ganun eh. Yung penetration tapos yung mga bend pass doon sa corner shooter. Good forced turnover by Ramos.
Dwight Ramos nakabawi rin. As Dwight Ramos finds Junmar Fajardo streaking. And Junmar's soft touch does not fall but will shoot 2. On the line to shoot 2. After being fouled on a scoop shot, Junmar gets the first of 2. Again, very sure thing, don't you, Junmar? He attracts so much attention with his movement, with his sheer size.
So anytime you have that kind of a teammate who can run the floor from the backcourt after a takeaway, tapos pababa, makakascore ka talaga. Kasi pag dumive yan doon sa ilalim, wala makakapigil eh.
2-point lead.
CJ Perez is back, kasamang Paulo.
CJ Perez, nabanggit nga natin kanina, instant offense.
Yes. He started the rally para sa Philippines. We were down at 20-12. Better defense for the 3-point Philippines. Good contest, CJ Perez.
This is a very athletic lineup actually for Gilas Pilipinas with AJ Edu.
Actually, lahat sila talaga.
Oo. Junmar is the only non-high flyer, pero
he's so big.
With his size, athletic pa rin siya. That is a good block there coming from Senegal's Amar Saylia.
Dwight Ramos pleading that possession could have stayed with the Philippines dahil lang sabi nga niya, nasapal siya. Pero mukhang tumama sa kanya kung yun ang hatol ng mga referees.
63-61 in favor of Senegal. Who do they turn to here? And looks like CJ Perez.
Para meron tayong cue.
Amar Saylia handing that off. Gotta watch out for him. Badio working on Junmar Fajardo with the shot. No good. AJ Edu. Great rebound.
Combination of Edu and Fajardo, but we give the ball up.
CJ Perez gave that away to Badio. Probably one of the last guys you want to give it to because he creates that opportunity.
2-possession lead here for Senegal on that takeaway and that basket of a turnover. Costly miscue here para sa Philippines.
CJ Perez will try to get that back. CJ on the attack, gets the foul.
Tumaas yung physicality nila, no? Saka yung aggressiveness on the ball.
Well, they were bullied at one point with Gilas press. CJ Perez steps through, no good.
Difficult shot.
Senegal trying to put the nail in the proverbial coffin. Badio working on Ray Parks.
Difficult.
And that's a kick ball.
Trying to go for that pocket pass in 2014. Played in 2019 when we beat Senegal in 2014 in overtime.
Swing the ball around. Saylia, not that time. Now working on Junmar Fajardo.
That's a big offensive rebound, but more importantly, they convert on that second chance and that.
So let's see what this crew can do. Dwight Ramos and CJ Perez, the backcourt para sa Gilas Pilipinas. They will be accompanied by Junmar Fajardo, RR Pogoy, and Ray Parks. CJ Perez umatake, unable to get that in. But CJ still battling for it, and it will be another opportunity here for Senegal to extend the lead.
A much improved individual coverage here for Senegal. Kanina, puro pasok yung mga penetrations or nakakahanap si CJ ng mga libreng kasama. Dito, wala nang extra passes sa Pilipinas.
Badio working on Dwight Ramos. Size advantage in favor of Dwight, but then Ray Parks and Ramos with the sandwich.
Their lead in this sequence.
Right now, again, under 2 minutes here. With Gilas trailing by 6. Pull-up jumper.
Oh,
and that could be the dagger para sa Gilas Pilipinas against Gilas Pilipinas.
Suddenly, that separation stands at 9 points in favor of Senegal. The Philippines looking for multiple and consecutive baskets later in the fourth.
Ray Parks handing it off to Dwight Ramos. They need a 3. They can't get it. And really, the hot shooting of Senegal is the reason why.
And they are called for an offensive foul.
Finding R.R. Pogoy. Now Junmar Fajardo. Junmar pushed maybe too far away from the basket. Junmar goes inside using his strength. And Junmar Fajardo gets a crucial 2 points para sa Gilas.
Always ready to be the go-to player. Single coverage, no problem for Junmar Fajardo. Attacking deep as possible, scores a crucial 2 para sa Philippines to break the scoring spell and push us closer to Senegal.
70-63. Badio trying to take over here for Senegal. Hands it off. The extended jumper, no good. Ray Parks with the rebound. Dwight Ramos. Kiefer. Kiefer on the drive, on the attack. High lay-in, no good off the glass.
Kiefer. Good penetration. High board layup. Just could not get that ball to drop. Completed stuff for Senegal preserves a 7-point lead. Ito na naman yung horn play.
R.R. Pogoy against Badio. Jabbing.
Husay, no?
The horns. Looking for Junmar Fajardo. Finding the man up top. And Junmar Fajardo with a heavy foul.
Senegal. They were behind at 45-40. Suddenly they had at 50-45. And they had 21 points in the third quarter. We had 19 for a 56-53 count to enter the final 10 minutes. And since that time, meron silang 15 puntos. Tayo, pumalo lamang sa 10 dito sa fourth quarter.
Ray Parks getting it from Junmar Fajardo off the handoff. Ray Parks fouled off the drive.
Ganitong scoring level. Last night against Iran, we won 75-65.
64-72. Ray Parks getting the first of 2.
First point here for Ray Parks.
And can't get both to fall. That's just been that type of quarter para sa Gilas Pilipinas. So many good looks from Gilas, unable to make it work.